How to collaborate the film and the music when during the process of recording, because basically the film people need sound uh, to maybe
to make it alive, to make it
yeah,
sound more alive.
to make the film more alive, or maybe they can feel more deeply into the film, something like that.
I don't know. Aku tidak tahu.
You don't know.
I mean,
She's asking.
yeah, but I don't know. I mean, the thing is, I never shot a silent movie. I have no idea what silent movie.
Dia sendiri nggak pernah ngerekam Hai, welcome. Dia sendiri nggak pernah ngerekam silent movie itu gimana? Silakan masuk. Ambil posisi mana aja boleh. Di sini juga boleh. Ini masih ada kursi lagi.
Actually, I have an idea. Yes. Matthias mentioned that to make this film, and of course, when we want to make a music or the instrumental concert, it must be a professional. But in my opinion, if we want to make this more alive, for example, about the movie, because you want to show how people in Medan live, how is the city actually in the reality. So I think maybe it's better to take a shoot in reality. I mean, not using the professional role, but like we make a documentary about the situation. For example, people do the marketing and selling and buying in the market. Maybe we can take a shoot in the market, so we don't have any voice. Just make it mood in the video, so we can show them how the people really make interaction in life. Maybe that's my idea.
Very important, good point, because it's something I didn't mention. I have in mind to shoot a silent movie which is non-fictional, so it's documentary. That's what I have in mind so far.
You have in mind like my opinion, or
I agree to you. So it's documentary, so it's not fiction.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what
Jadi sebenarnya kalau project film itu dengan musik itu tadi, dia karena dia bukan sifatnya fiksi tapi lebih kepada dokumenter, karena kan kita tema dasarnya itu kan permasalahan urban di Medan gitu ya kan. Jadi ide orang film dengan orang musik itu sama sebenarnya, cuma permasalahannya adalah mungkin di menit 1 sampai 5 mungkin orang film nge-shoot suasana di Kesawan misalnya, tapi orang musik mungkin berinterpretasi musik awal yang menit ke-5 1 sampai 5 itu malah musik bangun tidur misalnya gitu, suasana bangun tidur misalnya gitu. Nah, jadi ketika screening itu justru di situ eksperimentalnya gitu.
So,
Karena yes, please.
Okay. So if we don't have the voice, and Matthias mentioned that after the movie we can analyze. You said that, yeah, analyze. What you said? Like when we put this movie and music and screening, that we will analyze is that correlated or related between the music and the movie. So when this movie is finished, I have in mind, wouldn't that make a question for people to analyze again? Or maybe if you want to make it clear in the end, you can just make some narration, the storyteller during the movie. So we can shoot in mooded. But there will be a narration, yeah, the narration about what this movie about, and also my idea also. Actually, I helped my friend, the previous native in Germany, about he was studying geography, and I helped his thesis about how because Indonesia, especially Jakarta and Medan, is a developing country, which means that people will live in a different way. For example, I live in Jakarta actually, and like there will be a low economy people and they live together just next to like a few hundred feet, and there will be a rich people. So maybe you can take a shoot the difference of life, because you know the city is not only about the low economic people, there are also rich people. So like for example, making the process. For example, I already give example like people do the marketing in the traditional market, how they bargain to each other, and you can take a shoot also about the people doing the marketing, maybe for example in the supermarket or in the mall, so it will show the real life of developing country. That's my idea.
Want to share in Bahasa Indonesia?
Oke, sedikit tambahan ide tadi untuk proses ide filmnya. So I just want to help the concept, so we can more focus. Ya, jadi bisa buat I always forget. Oke, jadi biar mengsempurnakan konsepnya, jadi dari awal from the beginning to the end sampai akhirnya dibuat konsepnya fokus ke tema. And then untuk yang akhirnya supaya jangan ketika selesai filmnya dan musiknya jadi memunculkan pertanyaan, tapi kita buatkan misalnya ada narasi selama film berlangsung, atau di akhir movie-nya dibuatkan cerita sedikit, ini apa sih. Lalu mengingat Indonesia adalah negara berkembang berarti bukan hanya negara dengan ekonomi yang rendah, melainkan juga dengan orang yang sudah mampu secara ekonomi. Jadi misalnya kita buatkan perbedaan, bagaimana sih perbedaannya orang yang dengan